This is Macgyver, and welcome to another episode of Ask Starbase. In this episode, I will be answering a question from SpongeBob at South School in Windsor Locks, who wants to know, how many cells do we have in our body? Before jumping into how many cells there are in the average human body, it's important to understand what cells are. Cells are the basic structure of all living organisms. A group of cells can form tissues, which then form organs in our bodies. The human body is composed of around 210 different types of cells. Each of these has a different structure, size, shape, weight, and function. They differ in quantity too. To make things even more complicated, cells are constantly dying and new ones are being made. On top of that, the actual number of cells will vary from person to person depending on their age, height, weight, health, and environmental factors. Four relatively common cells are red blood cells, skin cells, nerve cells, and fat cells. Red blood cells deliver oxygen to the tissues in your body, which then turn into energy. A fun fact about skin cells is that you shed approximately 40,000 skin cells every day. Don't worry though, we have about 1.6 trillion of them. Among other jobs, nerve cells send information towards the central nervous system, which enable taste, touch, smell, sight, and hearing. They are also some of the longest cells in our bodies. They can be up to 1 meter long. Fat cells provide fuel for your body. These cells also insulate you to keep the body warm. But how do scientists determine how many cells are in your body? Well, in 2013, a study was published entitled An Estimation of the Number of Cells in the Human Body. Researchers attempted to estimate the number of cells in different tissues and organs in the body, such as the gallbladder, knee joints, and bone marrow. Adding up all their numbers, the scientists came up with 37.2 trillion cells. This is just a rough approximation, and by no means the final answer for the number of cells in the human body, but it's a good start. Thank you for your questions, SpongeBob, and thank you for watching this episode of Ask Starbase. If you have a STEM question, please email it to us at ask@starbase-ct.com, or you can go to our website, starbase-ct.com, to submit your question. This is Macgyver, signing off. There was an explosion at an underground lab, and now there's an acid leak. I have to go stop it with some chocolate bars.